Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix mic not working or voice chat not working in Escape the Backrooms game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, right click on the sound icon in the system tray and then open the sound settings. Now scroll down under the input option, select your connected microphone, and here make sure input volume is not muted, and also make sure it is set to 100%. Now in Windows search type control panel and open the control panel. Then click on hardware and sounds. Then click on sound. Then go to the recordings tab. Now select your microphone and make sure it is enabled. If it is disabled, then enable it. And then also go to properties. Then go to the levels sections. And here make sure the bar is set to 100%. And then click on OK. And then OK. And then you can go ahead and check mic is working or not, or voice chat problem has been fixed or not in the Escape the Backrooms game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.